Hello guys, this is me. I am Girl in the Galaxy. Those are peacocks. Yeah. Yeah, they're beautiful creatures, but they make a lot of noise. Yes, they're like okay. Okay, well, today we'll be doing a sneezing challenge. We'll use this. This is a ghost pepper powder. And so ghost pepper can also be called puchaloka, and in our mother tongue we call it samankin pep. So I'll be doing this since I need to sneeze for the sneezing challenge. So I'll snort this. Oh god, hopefully I don't die though. Okay. So do not snort drugs, people. Snort chili. Yeah. That's a better alternative, I think. No, it's not. Don't do this at home, people. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. 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 Again. Okay. I think my nose is gonna die. I'm okay. Oh shit, I don't think it's working for the sneezing. I think it's really spicy. Ow. I cannot breathe. People, do not do this. I think you're gonna die if you do this. I think I have to go and wash my nose now. Yes. Thank you, people. Bye, and do not do this because it's not advisable. I have to go and wash my nose.